મને તો મોહિત જોશે કારણ કે 13 brands are showcasing their beautiful collection and trust me this is worth visiting જો તમને ડિઝાઇનર અને યુનિક કલેક્શન જોઈતું હોય for this નવરાત્રી or festive season. Details are
as Surbhi said 13 brands हैं यहाँ पे 17th and 18th का ये शो है यानी today and tomorrow and these brands have amazing collection. किसी का तो launch preview है आज, so do come and get a look at everything that's.
So my brand is the Vaish Label. We are from Mumbai and I have a collection which is totally hand embroidered and we are giving it a contemporary twist with a traditional touch. So this is something which is in the shaded impact and this is all totally hand embroidered mirrors and this is dupatta. This is also in shaded.
shaded, very pretty.
This is something in Leria print with hand embroidery again.
Leria with hand embroidery.
Something in cotton which is more kind of a gamthi look.
Cotton gamthi look.
Something in bandhani this is something which you can wear later on also.
So this is the Vaish Label. This brand from Bhavnagar is bringing 6 to 10,000 in the beautiful designer pieces. Let's start with the kalamkari one. So look at the colors. Any jo detailing છે એ unique છે બધામાં. So this is the Gemini by the way and I'm showcasing some of the pieces જે તમે વધારે explore કરવા માટે brand visit કરી શકો. This is with Kachhi patch, આખું white માં with contrast dupatta. Look at that. So again very unique tones. And this is my personal favorite હવે. I definitely recommend to try this. જેને તમે not just નવરાત્રી but afterwards પણ સ્ટાઇલ કરી શકો વેડિંગ ફંક્શન્સમાં પણ. And once again greenish ટોનમાં આપણને જોઈતું હોય. So not so usual designs and colors they are bringing. So this is the Gemini.
Hi everyone, this is Nupur and my brand name is Dandelion. So we've got some really different styles this year. We've got bandhani with gotapatti happening and we have these 3 colors in this, right? And also we have these amazing vintage vegetable printed sets, you know, with this katori blouse. So this again we have like 2 colors here. They're also very pretty and we've got some earthy tones. We've concentrated more on the blouses. So, you know, these are again a beautiful style chanya cholis with 14 meters of flare. And we have our studio here, so you can visit us. It's by the name of Dandelion by Nupur Balia. Thank you.
Hi, this is Nancy from Living Portrait. This is our collection Shakti Roop. Let me show. This is a vintage and Georgette dupatta. Again, vintage half with kachi. This is black with kota. Orange again, 3 layered.
3 layered one.
A long blouse combination.
Long blouse combination. And only blouses ના પણ options છે.
Yeah. We have only blouses.
Right. અને સાડી સાથે ચણિયા ચોલી સાથે લહેંગા સાથે સ્ટાઇલ કરી શકાય.
Yeah.
And they've got dupattas too. Separately આપણને બંધેજમાં જોઈતા હોય તો.
Yes, correct. With embroidery, multi na bhi hai. We have a lot of multi dupattas.
Right.
Hi, my brand name is Gina Couture. हमारे पास है corset blouses with kachi and khat work.
Very pretty. Corset માં બધા જ options.
Corset blouse ना, spaghetti blouse and
આ બધા blouses ની અલગ અલગ રેન્જ છે.
full sleeve blouse, kachi work.
ટોન્સ અલગ અલગ છે. ફિનિશિંગ પ્રોપર છે બધાની.
આ બધા બ્લાઉઝીસ એન્ડ ચણિયા ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ મળી જશે.
ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ લેવા હોય તો થઈ જશે.
મળી જશે. મિરર વર્કનો ચણિયો છે એન્ડ બ્લાઉઝ, નીડલ વર્ક વિથ દુપટ્ટા.
Very pretty. So that is Gina's Couture. There is so much more to explore. જ્વેલરી જે મેં કેરી કરી છે that is from House of Pranjal. Yes ma'am.
Hi, I'm Pranjal from House of Pranjal. We specialize in extremely lightweight jewelry, and the heritage collection that we have is our USP. We use the same artisans that they use for real gold jewelry, jadai and bandhai. We have some really unique rings, some really quirky, tiny little pretty pieces. Something unique for Navratri. We have festive jewelry, and the bridal jewelry is available at our studio at Dhanidhar Paldi. We also do have some unique pieces that are not so festive, but you can still carry them in the other functions.
They've got only earrings, only kadas and more. So for that you need to visit the brand.
Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Patel from Baroda, and this time we are coming up with some more vibrant colors and intricate work and traditional silhouettes. So this is something that I'm showing.
Right. Beautiful colors and look at the detailing.
This is handwork.
Handwork साथ है. Right. Right. There are multiple other beautiful options to explore. જેના માટે you can visit brand Drashti Patel personally. The next brand that we have over here is Bandhej Bagh by Abhaya. And what do we have?
We have today very pretty dupattas in Rai Bandhej, as well as we have in Ajrak also.
Right.
Right? And we have
Wait for festive wear, but any pehla, let's see. Surat thi this brand is bringing beautiful and huge range of Afghani collection. Let's start with the neck pieces. સ્ટેટમેન્ટ થી લઈને થોડું મિનિમલ આપણને ગમતું હોય, લેયર ગમતું હોય, કોઈન કરવું હોય, ગોલ્ડન પોલિશ આપણને જોઈતી હોય, સો એના બધા જ અલગ અલગ ઓપ્શન છે અલોંગ વિથ મિરર એઝ વેલ. પછી એની સિવાય ઇફ વી ટોક અબાઉટ ઇયરિંગ્સ તો આટલી બધી હ્યુજ રેન્જ છે in earrings too that complements your Navratri look, and they have solution like handcuff and more. So this is Kiana vintage jewelry from Surat. And now let's see कि festive wear માં શું છે. We have Fab Viva over here. 3-piece suit ની નવી બધી varieties they are bringing. જે એમને પહેર્યું છે that is one of their collection. પછી they can customize in size and color too. પછી પ્રિન્ટમાં ગમતું હોય આપણને. The brand that I am wearing is Threads by Vinita Patel. और options क्या है प्राची?
Yes, we have something like this in red. We have something like
बनारसी.
this. Yes. Dupattas. We do have dupattas. We have something in blue with mirror work. And yes, we have something like this, as you can see.
Beautiful એના શેડ બહુ સરસ છે. સો ઘણું બધું એવું છે જે તમે વેડિંગ માટે બી લઈ શકો, બટ અત્યારે હું સિલેક્ટેડ બતાવું છું.
We have some blouses as well, as you can see. Something in mirror, something with kachi, something like this with handwork. And yes, we do have dupattas as well.
સો દુપટ્ટાસ, બ્લાઉઝીસ, ચણિયા ચોલીસ
Something spaghetti.
તમે સેપરેટલી બી શોપ કરી શકો આના. This is Threads by Vinita Patel. Definitely worth visiting.